my god, it's just full on lying down.
Oh, he's so cute.
Is he alright?
Look, he's gonna...
Photo bomb. I've spent like the whole day doing work. So yeah, I'm actually starving because I've barely eaten anything all day. So I need to go make myself some dinner or lunch because I haven't had a proper lunch yet. I also got some really cute clips around the college the other day of like all the animals. I thought I would insert that now and just show you. Like, are you friendly? It might bite. No, they can't bite properly, can they?
I want to Snapchat this. This is so cool.
In the college zoo. What's it doing? Oh, hello. Oh, it's like when you're in the vlog. Oh, that's so cute.
He's like properly looking at me.
Yeah, is it because of the light? Maybe it's interesting.
Oh, I didn't know my light was on.
I actually love this enclosure for them. Can I zoom
really
in?
nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I love the design of it. Yeah, she's zoomed in quite well. Oh, did you see that one just lie down? That was so cute. It's gone back inside. Oh, another one.
Are they babies? Look
Oh, hello.
There's so many. They're not
Yeah. Oh. They're so fun, aren't they? They're like very energetic. They have quite a good enclosure.
Yeah.
They're just hopping around everywhere. There's loads of them all lined up, and then there's just like that little white one. The raccoon dog. Oh, it's coming out.
Whoa, it's quite big.
Oh, I don't know if you can even see because of the mesh.
It's so weird. Wow, look at it.
Oh, hello. I've never seen these come out. I think because people are in there, so they're running away.
Oh.
Yeah,
I don't know if I'll be able to like, actually get that.
they're really beautiful animals, aren't they?
Yeah.
I wish there wasn't this mesh. It would look so
it's
much.
like double mesh as well.
Yeah. Aww. They're so cool.
So many.
Oh.
I definitely think.
And have to zoom in really far, but you can see down there.
Oh yeah.
This is where like the Olympics train, isn't it? It's arena. We'll just scribble out the bit that says beef unit. They're too cute to be beef. Oh yeah.
Like in those sheds, that's just where they stay. Say cheese.
That doesn't even look real. Is it here?
If you bend down, you can see him more.
It's got a right good view. Sorry, I love him. Oh my god, that's so funny. Hi Jasper. Come on. Come and see me then. Hello. What are you covered? He's covered in black bits. Hey. Vinny. Hi. Oh, you remembered. You remembered. Do I smell of rabbits and guinea pigs? Yeah. Hi. Oh. Hey, Vinny. Give us a cuddle. Oh.
So cold. Everybody's back. Apart from Dad. Has Vinny been with you? No. He's not had a single cuff, like I've not even known he was here.
It's because he's not seen me for a few days. There's a big daddy long legs on the floor.
No,
Yeah, I tried to catch that yesterday, but I need to repot this plant.
What was that? Oh. The skinny pigs are weaking because they can hear the
Yeah, we haven't got anything yet, mate.
Need to put it through that way. And then
Got my arms on.
yeah. Oh, Vinny in his towel. Oh, you're so cute.
Don't run away. And you're going to shake everywhere, aren't you? Oh.
Yep.
Okay. I want my platter.
Yeah, looks good. Is that for the guinea pigs and the...
You need something.
Yeah. Which is the difference between the which bowl do you use for the skinny pigs and which do you use for the rabbits?
Pink one usually for the skinny.
Red rabbits. What have you found on the floor, Vinny? Are they getting peppered?
Yeah.
How many? 2?
Yeah.
They can smell.
Wink.
I wonder if the camera picked that up.
So later than
That's
usual. I normally feed him earlier
yeah.
than this.
No.
We're starving today. It's fed us for hours.
Do you want them little bits for the gerbils?
Oh, I'll just chuck them in there. Yeah, I'll do them.
I love their fresh food. I don't know why, but it's not really the natural diet, is it, for lots of fresh food? But
Just bury another bowl then.
yeah. What else? The gerbils, like the gerbils.
Do they eat celery?
They're like lettuce. They don't like carrot. They won't touch carrot.
Oh, right, I gave them a bit of carrot last night.
Oh, did they have it?
Well, I don't know because they buried the bowl.
Yeah.
I can't tell
Maybe
what they've
sometimes
eaten.
they do, but other times they just like.
There's cucumber in the other fridge if you want to
Yeah, they like that. You would actually run away with that, wouldn't you?
The whole thing.
I can have the middle bit.
Yeah, okay.
It's cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
Little gerbil salad. Do you love carrots? Can you have a little
Well, he
piece?
does until you like. No, I don't want. I'd rather have my tea.
It's a pre-dinner snack. Guinea pigs.
No, skinny pigs.
Oh yeah, red for rabbits.
Red for rabbits.
Rabbits, gerbils, guinea pigs, skinny pigs. Hello. Coming up to see the guinea pigs. Oh my god. There's a skinny pig at the gate. What? I don't know.
What, downstairs?
No, like at the gate in my room.
Oh, honest to God, I don't know he's got out.
Oh my god. That's Beano. Jasper is like, what?
But you know, how have you got out? Come on, I'm in. I want to see.
Yeah. Try not
Escaped
to.
prisoner. Go on, get in. Get in. Get in. Go. Go on, over here.
How? Oh. Right, so
He's got round there.
there's a gap in that.
He's
So
got out through the corner here.
that has to be like that.
Yeah.
But most guinea pigs would not
He
even.
wouldn't have tried, but
Yeah.
He's obviously really hungry, wasn't he? I think he's only just got out.
Yeah.
He's wanting his food. I want to get back in there.
I think that's hilarious, and I got that all on camera.
He got you.
Ow.
You're so cute. That's squishy.
Oh,
you're so squishy.
the gerbils are like, what's going on?
Oh, you're so warm.
You're so sweet.
Go on, go back with your brother.
There you go. I'll tip it out for you. Wow, look at all that. I love it when they make that noise.
I did a load of heads, man. You just pulled the whole lot into the.
Oh, it's good you put it. That's a good idea to put it that way around.
Yeah, because it all kept falling out.
So the hay rack fits where like the dip is in
Yeah.
the tray.
It seems to work better.
Yeah. Oh, I can't
We just
believe.
spend a lot of time underneath those shelves on either side.
Oh, is that they like to sit separate but sort of
Yeah,
together?
one on each side.
That's so funny. Yeah, so I do miss these guys a lot throughout the week, even though I get to work with a lot of other animals. It's never quite the same as having your own pets. So I do miss all the pets a lot. It's really nice to be back home at weekends though, and just get to catch up and do all the little jobs here and there and spend a bit of time with them. So that's always really nice to come home to. Been with lots of bunnies today. Do you want a carrot? Yeah, so we're doing things like, we were doing nail clipping, we were doing health checks, we're also doing grooming, talking about basic diseases in rabbits. You okay? Also, the other practical we had this week was basically aquatics. I would love to be able to film more in the lessons. Whether or not I can, I don't know, but Big We've just had a goat pipe. You have that one. Good girl. You take that. Why'd you growl at me? Such a grumpy boy. Oh, it's so nice to be back with him though. I need to tip all of this out for you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing more. She's like, get off me. Hope you enjoyed seeing more of the animals at college. Big wig. Hope you enjoyed seeing that as well, because I didn't think I would be able to get them clips, but I did, and hopefully I'll be able to get more. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. So